can observe the beauties of nature and feel the enchantment of the varied landscapes and geological features of our world by visiting these sites. Number 1. The Faroe Islands, Denmark. This North Atlantic island is home to secluded and untamed landscapes interspersed with charming settlements, towering sea cliffs, and gushing waterfalls. Number 2. Wulingyuan Scenic Area, China. Explore Zhangjiajie National Forest Park's bizarre scenery, which includes tall sandstone pillars and an abundance of vegetation that served as the inspiration for the floating mountains in the Avatar film. Number 3. Explore the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, one of the world's hottest and most hostile regions, to see erupting lava lakes, vivid sulfur lakes, and salt flats. Number 4. Explore the surreal landscapes of Socotra, Yemen, which are renowned for their distinctive flora and fauna, such as the well-known dragon's blood trees and the bottle-shaped Socotra succulent. Number 5. Turkmenistan's door to hell is the Darvaza gas crater, a flaming abyss of natural gas that has been burning for decades, producing a stunning show in the desert. Number 6. Spend the night in a hotel built completely of ice and snow in Sweden's Ice Hotel, where the rooms are adorned with elaborately carved ice sculptures. Number 7. The Darvaza gas crater, popularly referred to as the door to hell, is a fiery hole that has been blazing non-stop since 1971. It is a breathtaking sight to behold. Number 8. USA's Antelope Canyon. Take a tour of the slender slot canyons here, renowned for its breathtaking wave-shaped rock formations and light shafts that produce striking color and shadow displays. Number 9. Take a boat ride into the Waitomo glowworm caves in New Zealand, where hundreds of bioluminescent glowworms provide a starry night sky-like glow over the surrounding darkness. Number 10. Admire the ethereal splendor of the marble caves in Chile and Argentina, which were sculpted over ages by the azure waves of General Carrera Lake. Number 11. Australia's Pink Lake is Lake Hillier, a naturally occurring phenomena on Middle Island that gets its name from the presence of a special kind of microalgae that gives the lake its vivid pink color. Number 12. Scotland's Fairy Pools. Embark on a journey to the Isle of Skye's Fairy Pools, where crystalline water tumbles over rugged terrain to form an array of captivating natural pools and waterfalls. Number 13. The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, one of the world's longest navigable underground rivers, passes through a breathtaking system of limestone caves. Explore the Puerto Princesa Underground River in the Philippines. Number 14. The Moiraki Rocks in New Zealand are a sight to behold. These spherical rocks are arranged along Keaukohe Beach and are said to have originated millions of years ago as a result of sedimentary erosion. Number 15. The Rainbow Mountains, China. Explore the amazing multicolored rock formations that resemble a vivid rainbow splashed across the landscape by hiking through the Zhangye Dangxia Landform Geological Park. Number 16. The Wave, USA. Experience the captivating natural wonder of whirling patterns of colorful sandstone at Arizona's Vermilion Cliffs National Monument. Number 17. The Chocolate Hills, Philippines. Travel to Bohol to see the bizarre terrain of more than 1,200 conical hills that in the dry season turn brown and resemble enormous chocolate kisses. Number 18. Discover the historic city of Bagan in Myanmar, which is home to thousands of temples, pagodas, and stupas that date back to the 9th century. Take in the breathtaking sunsets and hot air balloon rides as you explore the Bagan temples. Number 18. The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where visitors can stroll over the hexagon-shaped basalt columns that were created millions of years ago by volcanic activity. Number 19. The Pink Beach, Indonesia. Unwind on the pink sands of Komodo Island's Pink Beach, Pantai Merah, which gets its distinct pink color from tiny pieces of coral. Number 20. Turkey's Pamukkale. Thermal pools are a great place to take a dip because of their beautiful white travertine terraces and mineral-rich waters. Number 21. The Valley of the Moon, Chile. Discover the surreal surroundings of the Valle de la Luna in the Atacama Desert, where sand dunes, salt flats, and rock formations like the moon create a spooky and captivating atmosphere. Number 22, climb the towering peaks of the Tianzi Mountains in Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in China. Known for its mist-shrouded cliffs, the Tianzi Mountains served as the inspiration for the floating mountains. Number 23, explore the depths of the historic underground city of Derinkuyu in Turkey. Early Christians built the city out of the soft volcanic rock to serve as a haven from enemies. Number 24, discover the bleak splendor of Namibia's Skeleton Coast, where towering sand dunes, fauna adapted to the desert, and shipwrecks meet the roaring Atlantic Ocean surf. Number 25, Japan's Wisteria Tunnel. Explore the enchanted Wisteria Tunnel at Kitakyushu's Kawachi Fuji Gardens, where colorful cascades of wisteria blooms create a surreal canopy. Number 26. Trekking in the Indian Himalayan Valley of Flowers National Park will take you through a kaleidoscope of vibrant alpine flowers blooming against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks. Number 27. Discover the magnificent beehive-shaped rock formations of the Bungle Bungle Range in Purnululu National Park, Western Australia. These formations are well known for their distinctive look and cultural significance to the local indigenous population. The Bungle Bungles are located in Australia. Number 28. The romantic Tunnel of Love in Ukraine is a wonderful kilometer-long passageway formed by a naturally occurring archway made of entwining trees. It is located near Klivan. Number 29. Lashan, China's giant Buddha. Admire the enormous giant Buddha statue, which is regarded as one of the biggest stone Buddha sculptures in the world and is carved into a cliff face close to Lashan, Sichuan province. It is more than 71 meters tall. Number 30, the Sea of Stars, Maldives, on Vadhu Island in the Maldives. Take in the captivating bioluminescent plankton phenomenon. Here, the shoreline is illuminated with shimmering blue lights after dark, producing a surreal celestial effect. Number 31, the Door to the Underworld, Canada. Explore the spooky door to the underworld in the Northwest Territories, where icy subterranean lakes are exposed by the formation and collapse of mysterious Pingos craters. Number 32, the Cappella Palatina, Italy. Take in the magnificent Byzantine mosaics and Norman construction of this medieval masterpiece, also known as the Palatine Chapel, located in Palermo, Sicily. Number 33, explore the alien vistas of Brazil's Lengua Maranhenses National Park, where huge stretches of white sand dunes are interspersed with glistening lagoons during the rainy season, producing an incredibly beautiful scene. Number 34, the Stone Forest, Yunnan Province, China. Explore the remarkable limestone formations of the Stone Forest, whose tall pillars and winding passageways create an eerie and magical setting. These locations give visitors the opportunity to take in the breathtaking beauty and singularity of our world, offering treasured memories and life-changing experiences.